So today I wanted to do a review of this Difiney anti-snoring device. Difiney did send this to me, Difiney, excuse me, send this to me. But I definitely have a problem with sleeping. I'm working, or snoring while I sleep, but I'm working on it. This will most definitely help. So what this works is it's a mouthpiece. It comes in a nice case, which is awesome. And what it does is when you put it in, it's going to gently reposition your jaw forward, your lower jaw specifically, and it's going to enhance your airflow, and which reduces snoring and lets you sleep. Pretty simple here. This stuff is great. This little piece here, basically what this is going to do is it custom molds to your teeth. You can do that with the instructions, and like a boil and bite situation here, so you can get it molded, and it keeps it allows for it has an open front that allows for full airflow to go through the V-flow design here, this little opening. It's got like an opening, if you can see there, and that's where the air flows when you're biting down on this, and allows for maximum comfort and all of that stuff. And you can do incremental movements of the bottom jaw forward if you need it. Pretty simple. Right before you're about to go to bed, pop it in. We're good to go. I can't speak with it in. Sorry, but I have tried this for a few nights now, and this has helped me with snoring because it keeps my mouth open throughout the night, and it's definitely helped me and my wife both get better sleep, especially her having to not listen to me anymore. So if you're looking for this, it's actually at FDA 510K cleared item that you can use to help get rid of your snoring. It is awesome. It's great. Super. It's been proven that it actually helps. So if you're looking for a great alternative to some of the other products, something that's easy, simple to use, highly recommend picking up one of these anti-snoring devices from Difiney today.